You're launching a dropshipping business. You've got your products, your strategy, and your marketing plan, but have you got your EIN number? Let's unravel why this 9-digit number is non-negotiable in the dropshipping world. What is an EIN number? An EIN, or Employer Identification Number, is your business's social security number. It's the unique identifier that the IRS assigns to businesses, making them distinguishable. This 9-digit identifier is unique to each business entity, ensuring they're recognized and distinct in the vast landscape of commerce. Unlike personal social security numbers, EINs aren't private. They're used primarily for tax and administrative purposes, helping authorities and other entities differentiate one business from another. Why do you need an EIN number in dropshipping? Whether you're just getting started or scaling up, understanding the importance of the EIN in dropshipping is essential. Here are the benefits of having an EIN number as a dropshipper. 1. Separation of personal and business income. An EIN creates a distinct barrier between your personal and business finances. This isn't merely a matter of organization, it's about legal and financial protection. By keeping these incomes separate, you can ensure precise accounting, simplify tax filings, and shield your personal assets from potential business liabilities. 2. Hiring and paying employees. With an EIN, you can hire employees, withhold income taxes, and meet all employer-related obligations with ease. 3. Opening bank accounts and obtaining credit. Think of your EIN as the golden key to the financial realm of your business. Most financial institutions won't open a business account without one. An EIN not only allows you to establish a business bank account, but also to apply for business-specific credit cards, loans, and other financial instruments. It's the foundation of your business's financial identity. If you are a non-US citizen with an LLC in the USA, most likely, you won't be able to open a bank account in the US without the EIN. 4. Working with suppliers. In the dropshipping universe, your relationships with suppliers can make or break your business. An EIN is more than a mere number. For suppliers, it's a mark of your legitimacy and commitment. Most reputable suppliers and wholesalers, especially those based in the US, see an EIN as a basic requirement, ensuring they're partnering with a genuine business, not just an individual. Most of the best dropshipping suppliers won't even discuss with you if you don't have an EIN. 5. Filing business taxes. Tax season can be daunting, but an EIN makes it manageable. It not only identifies your business to the IRS, but also simplifies the process of reporting your business income. It allows you to claim deductions, manage expenses, and ensure you meet your tax obligations seamlessly. Without an EIN, you might find yourself navigating a maze during tax season. 6. Registering for state taxes. Depending on where your dropshipping business operates or where your customers or suppliers reside, you might need to register for state-specific taxes. An EIN is often essential for such registrations, making sure you're on the right side of state tax regulations. 7. Non-US citizen benefits. If you're a non-US citizen eager to tap into the lucrative US dropshipping market, an EIN becomes even more vital. It's your entry ticket, allowing you to set up a business presence in the US and collaborate with top-tier US-based suppliers. How to obtain an EIN number. Securing an EIN might sound like a bureaucratic hurdle, but in reality, it's more straightforward than you'd think. Here's a step-by-step guide to navigate the process. 1. Online application. The modern world favors speed, and so does the IRS. If you're a US citizen, the online method is your best bet. Visit the official IRS website. Search and complete the Form SS4, Application for Employer Identification Number. Fill in all the required details: your name, business entity type, the purpose for applying, the date your business was started or acquired, and the primary industry you're operating in. Once completed, you'll typically receive your EIN almost immediately. And by the way, all links will be added in the description of this video as well. 2. Application for non-US citizens. The process is slightly different if you don't have a Social Security number, SSN, or an Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, EIN. You won't be able to use the online method. Instead, you'll need to either mail or fax the SS4 application directly to the IRS. This method takes longer, often a few weeks and up to 90 days, so it's crucial to factor in this delay. Unfortunately, the online method is not available for non-US citizens. 3. Third-party services. If you're looking for a hassle-free experience or are a non-US citizen, third-party services can be a boon. These agencies specialize in assisting businesses to obtain their EIN. They're especially helpful if you're from outside the US and find the process daunting. They'll handle most of the legwork, but remember, quality comes at a price. Depending on where you're located and how quickly you need your EIN, costs can range between $50 and $200. Conclusion: an EIN isn't just a number, it's the backbone of many business operations in dropshipping. From legal compliance to supplier relationships, it plays a pivotal role. If you're taking the dropshipping route, ensure the EIN is part of your toolkit. If it's still not clear how you can obtain an EIN number and to set up your US LLC business for dropshipping, especially if you are a non-US citizen, in the description of this video, you will find the most complete guide on this topic. Thank us later. Now, if you are really going to embark on a dropshipping journey, AppScenic is here to guide you. With over 1 million dropshipping products from trusted suppliers, we make your journey smoother. So take a look at our dropshipping platform and use the link in the description to start your 7-day free trial. For a deeper dive into dropshipping, click the video on your screen now. And if you enjoyed the content, do us a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in, and may your dropshipping endeavors flourish.